So I got two questions for you today. What's in your gym bag, and do I really want to know?
All right, let's see. Old socks, ratty old towel, and sneakers that have been around since the Civil War. Squirrels! There are handy items you could keep in your gym bag once the squirrels move out.
Here are a few of my favorites.
Workout log. It can keep you motivated and lets people know you can read and write. First aid kit, because you never know if you or someone else might get hurt. Plastic bags for those items that need to be quarantined. Another handy item for your gym bag is snacks like almonds or something that will last. For those times when you've got lots of energy at first, but then you need a little pick-me-up later. Shower shoes, so you don't slip and fall. And if you do, you've got a first aid kit now. Bonus, after workout is a great addition to your gym bag. It's an all-natural way to recover after a grueling session. It provides branched-chain amino acids to alleviate muscle soreness, a unique antioxidant to fight free radicals, and carbohydrates to restore your energy. I had some after a wicked intense bike ride this weekend. It was great. In fact, I got so much extra energy, I rushed home and finished mowing the lawn. Want to try some for yourself? Leave your favorite emoji in the comments below. I'll smell you later.